people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about another personal loan that you guys can get. And I love this company because they are bankruptcy friendly. So if you guys have had a bankruptcy before and you feel as if you're not being able to get any loans or anything like that, then I really love that you guys have the option of Best Egg to be able to get approved for a personal loan. Now, I talked to you guys about a lot of different companies out there that actually can approve you for personal loans. And the thing that I liked about a lot of companies is that they can actually pre-qualify you for these personal loans without a hard inquiry. So let's go ahead and look at the Best Egg credit card and also look at some other one, not credit cards, but personal loan, and also look at some other options out there if you guys are looking to get a personal loan. So here is the website for Best Egg, you guys. They have the credit card, but I really want to talk to you guys about the personal loan options. So you guys can check your rates in minutes without actually getting a hard inquiry. I like that they can pre-qualify you without that hard inquiry. All you have to do is just put your email address in and click on check my rate. And if you guys have a offer code, I can show you guys how to get an offer code very simply. If you guys have an offer code, go ahead and put it in. But if you don't, just go ahead and click right here and put your email address in and check your rate. Now, like I said, too, they have the credit card, but my biggest focus that I want to talk to you guys about was the personal loan. Now, when it comes down to this company, you guys, the main thing I want you to understand is that if you guys have bad credit, you guys can still possibly get approved. You do want to have a better credit score so you guys can have a better chance of getting approved, and they can approve you all the way up to $50,000. And direct to pay feature is really, the direct pay feature is really good if you want to make sure you can pay off your debt faster. Is where they're actually going to pay the companies directly if you're using like a debt consolidation or anything like that. But they have different kind of loans. So they have debt consolidation, credit card refinancing, home improvement, moving expenses. Maybe you're relocating, you have like a major purchase you're trying to do, you're trying to get a, you have a baby or an adoption, special occasion, vacation loans. I don't think that you should get loans for like vacation or anything like that, but I just mind my business. I'm not going to say anything else about that. I'm just going to say that, you guys, I don't think you should get a loan to do a vacation. Like, if you can't pay for it, you can't pay for it. It is what it is. But the credit card, you guys, they have the credit card. Again, they have the 0% intro for the first 6 months. They don't have any annual fee. You guys will be able to track your spending and set limits with a click. So say if you, like me, I like to track how much I'm spending, where I'm spending it at, then you guys will be able to track it with this credit card, which is good. And if you are approved, your credit score won't be affected because they're going to pre-qualify you for this credit card. So I love, love, love that. I love pre-qualifications. Now, like I said, there's other companies out there other than this company that you guys can check out. And I have that list on my previous website for personal loans. You guys are going to see too, like I have a lot of credit, like utilization credit cards on here, personal loans on here, credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. This is my old previous website that I had that you guys can check out. I don't know how much longer it is going to be available, but check to see if it's still available. And if not, you're going to see it on my main website, rickita.com. But look at the other different options you guys have. You have the Lending Point, the Best Egg, the Avant, also the Lending Club. And the Best Egg is going to pull your Experian credit report for those people that's wondering. Prosper, Upgrade, Happy Money, One Main Financial, PenFed Personal Loans. So it's a lot of companies on here you can check out. And this is the key: pre-qualify with no hard inquiry, pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. And some of these companies, like if you guys were to pre-qualify for the credit card, for the personal loan, and they can't give you one, some of the companies will actually have other options that you guys can explore. So that's something I really like. And I previously told you guys about the One Main Financial, and I think I did the Avant. I think I made a video about almost all of these two in general. I'm like, which one? But I'm pretty sure I did one on all of them. If you guys go to my website, like the One Main Financial, I made a I have a section in my website about the One Main Financial. They can approve you all the way up to $20,000. This is probably gonna be an easier one to get than the Best Egg, but they ask for collateral, which is something I really don't like. But if you guys go to the website, then if you guys go down to the bottom, you're gonna see similar credit cards or similar accounts. You guys are gonna see other credit cards that's similar. So like the Avant, the Best Egg, the Lending Point. You guys can be able to check these companies out. And I already told you, like, we have the list here, they're all listed here. And then also too, you're going to see a list in the future that's similar to this. As soon as I get done making all the videos for all of them, you're going to see a list that's very similar to this here, where you'll see them all like listed here, one by one. These are the best credit cards to build credit. But if you go to the website, you'll be able to see similar ones at the bottom. So if you like that One Main Financial, then you can come here and see the similar ones at the bottom. So the Avant, the Best Egg, the Lending Point, you guys will be able to see those at the bottom. Now the Best Egg, I know is not done yet, you guys. The review is definitely coming soon because that's the one we're doing now. But when you guys watch this video, it is going to be done, so you guys can come here and fully check it out, and be able to see other ones that's similar. But I just gave you the full list of all of them, so you don't need to do that. Now, if you want to get offers in the mail, then I do suggest you go to a website called factortrust.com. When you go to the website, this is actually what it's going to look at. Let me press the back button. This is what it's going to look like when you guys want to opt in. Now, what you're doing is you're opting in so that this is a small credit bureau. Factory Trust is just a small credit bureau. It's a small credit bureau. What they're doing is they're going to give your information out to firms that offer credit and insurance. So for those people that's getting offers in the mail, that's probably because you're opting in right now to get those offers. So you probably get offers from credit card companies saying, hey, I pre-qualified you for a $2,000 credit card, for a $3,000 credit card, $500 credit card. And some of you guys are getting personal loan offers up to $20,000, $30,000. That's because your information is already opted in. If you guys are not getting those options, then go to factortrust.com, and or you can just Google Factor Trust, and then you guys Factor Trust opt in, and then you guys want to keep it right here where it says opt in, click submit. Then you guys want to put your information right here, and I would say give it, if you're trying to do the shopping cart trick and get offers immediately, give it about 5 days. But usually you're going to start getting offers in the mail probably the next month. Sometimes it may take longer, sometimes it can happen sooner, but you guys are going to start getting those offers in the mail for this personal loan, possibly, and other companies out there too, other credit card companies and other personal loan companies. But definitely check it out, and hopefully you guys are getting those offers if you really want to get them in the mail. But that's all I want to talk to you guys about the Best Egg loan. Don't forget they have their credit card. If you guys are having a hard time in general getting approved for this loan, or any other credit cards, definitely check out my 60 points in 60 days. That's where I teach you guys how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So it's 5 different ways. I tell you guys the different ways within my recording. You can watch it right now, right away, click it, and I give you also some free things. So I give you a free inquiry dispute letter to remove inquiries from your credit report, and I also give you a free dispute letter to remove accounts from your credit reports. But go ahead and check it out, because I teach you guys how to increase your credit score. And when you increase your credit score, you guys are going to have an easier time getting approved for credit cards. If you guys want me to hold your hand through the process, definitely look into when my next group is going to start, because I actually do this in groups where I actually go through this process with you guys in groups, and I help you guys increase your credit score to 60 points in 60 days in a 60-day group, where I actually look at your credit reports 4 to 5 times within that process. But hopefully you guys get approved. If you get approved, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.